Philemon verses 8 through 17. We see that in verse 8, Paul wants to give Philemon a command. What does he want to command him to do? Well, in verses 15 and 16, he wants him to receive Onesimus no longer as a slave, but as a brother. In verse 17, he says that he wants him to receive Onesimus as he would receive Paul, who was a free person. So we know Onesimus was a slave. We also know that he did not have permission to be with Paul, because in verse 14, Paul explains that even though he wanted to keep Onesimus with him, he did not want to do so at the compulsion of Philemon. He wanted Philemon to willingly give Onesimus to him. But first, he wanted Onesimus to go back to Philemon to be reconciled. So really what Philemon shows us is that Paul, contrary to what many think, was not in support of slavery.